Have you been hearing about high-ticket affiliate marketing? Maybe you want to get started with it, but you don't know exactly how it works. Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been doing high-ticket affiliate marketing for many, many years. I've made multiple six figures, and in this video, I'm going to hop on my laptop and reveal to you my exact 5-step framework to quickly and easily get to $500 or more a day starting from zero. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure you stick with me. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna get into these 5 exact steps to $500 or more a day. But first, just some proof so you can see that I know what I'm talking about. You can see right here, this is my Stripe account, okay? And these are payments that I was able to generate over and over again. High ticket affiliate commissions. You can see there's 115 results. I'm gonna get into this step by simple step. Number 1 is we want to choose a good high ticket affiliate program to promote. Okay, now there's 3 big niches that you want to consider going into. Remember, the riches are in the niches. You always want to choose a category or a topic that you want to promote in. Do not try to be a generalist. Do not try to just target everyone, because the person that targets everyone targets no one. So health, wealth, and relationships, the reason these are the big 3 niches are because people always want to improve their health. They always want to get more wealth, and they always want to improve their relationships. So you're going to be safe if you go into those. Now, where do we go to find these programs to actually promote, right? There's 3 main places that I like to go. Okay, number 1 is ClickBank. So you can just go to clickbank.com, and this is a marketplace, and it's actually free to create an account. You just click start here, and then you fill out these simple little questions, and you'll create a free account. And then once you're inside, okay, after you fill out these little questions, once you're inside, you would just go to the tab that says Marketplace, and you can actually look for products that pay you, $500 or more per commission. Okay, so ClickBank is a good place to find high ticket products. Another place is Warrior Plus. Now, warriorplus.com is another affiliate marketplace. This is going to be more make money online, home business type of offers. So if you're in that niche, the wealth category, this is going to be a good place for you. Again, the commissions range, but you can find higher ticket offers that you can promote and start to make bigger commissions. And then last but not least are independent affiliate programs. These are programs that are not listed on those main platforms. You can just go to Google and search in the word of your niche followed by high ticket affiliate program. So, if you're in weight loss, you can search that, and you can just go through and look at these different articles that people have curated, such as 20 best weight loss affiliate programs. And you can just look at, different reviews of those programs, apply to join them, and then you can start promoting them. Now, if you're watching this and you do want to go into the wealth category, make money online, things like that, I'm going to include a link directly below to my number 1 high ticket affiliate program when it comes to making money online. It gives you tons of resources, training, done for you funnels, which will lead me into step number 2. So I definitely want to include that link if you're interested. So going back here, okay, now let's get into step number 2, which is have a system or funnel in place to follow up and close your leads for you. Okay, a lot of people, when they go out there and they want to promote high ticket affiliate programs, they struggle. They don't make any money. They're doing tons of work, hours a day on their laptop, hours a day on their phone. They're posting constantly, and they're not making any sales. And one of the biggest reasons is most people, especially with higher ticket offers, they need more time. You need to follow up with them. So in order to create an automated freedom machine where things are literally working while you're sleeping, we can leverage a funnel. Now, I'm going to share with you an image of what a funnel looks like so you can get an idea, but this is going to really allow you to generate that freedom that you may be wanting. Okay, so this is an example of a funnel. Okay, so you can see right here on the left side, this right here is a basic automated funnel. So it's going to have a capture page right here. Okay, you've probably seen this online. Anytime you've gone to a website that asks for your email address, okay? And then what happens is when you put your email address in, it's gonna redirect people to the sales page. Now, this is gonna be typically the affiliate link that you've gotten from ClickBank or an independent affiliate program. And then what's also though gonna happen is when someone puts their email into this page, it's also going to redirect them onto our email list. Okay, so our email list is a list of our email subscribers. Everyone that's put in their email on our page, it's going to add them to a list of emails. Okay, and what's going to happen is people will start getting sent emails, typically one per day, with a link sending people back to the sales page, back to your affiliate link. And when they buy through that link, you're going to receive commission payouts. Okay, now typically they're going to be in the higher price range, especially if you're doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, and depending on how these affiliate programs pay you, you could get paid in a Stripe, PayPal, etc., and then you can redirect that to your bank account. Now, a lot of these affiliate programs do not have done-for-you funnels. Okay, you have to create them yourself. If you do want to create these yourself, you can use a site like system.io. There will be a link in the description. You can actually create a free account and actually have up to 2,000 people put their email into your website before having to pay anything. So this is a good option. But if you don't want to have to do this yourself, okay, if you want a done-for-you funnel, again, I will leave a link directly below. That affiliate program gives you a done-for-you high-converting funnel that you can actually leverage to start making high-ticket commissions, okay? Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, like I said, you can do this yourself. Some of these, if you go to like Google, some of these programs may have a done-for-you funnel, but often they're not that high converting because they just give you something to run with. But you do want to actually start using a funnel because this is gonna massively save you time, and this will allow you to not let sales slip through the cracks. Number 3 is once you have that funnel, okay, once you actually have that funnel in place, you've created it or you've gotten access to one, the next step is we want to drive traffic to the funnel. Traffic, when it comes to affiliate marketing, is just clicks. We want to get as many people clicking on our funnel link, that capture page link, because the more people that go to that link, the more people put their email in, the more people will get followed up with and ultimately decide to buy. So what I recommend you do, there's all these different kinds of traffic. I've covered a lot of different methods and strategies on my channel. When you stay subscribed, you go through my past videos, you'll see specific strategies on Facebook, Instagram. But what I recommend is you pick one main social media site and you post content consistently. Okay, so this is free, okay? You know, everyone loves free, right? So when you post on social media, it does not cost you anything. You can post, and you've probably made a post before, right? If you're watching this video, maybe you've never done affiliate marketing, but chances are you've made a post on Facebook or you've posted something on Instagram, right? So you've done the work. Now we're just going to start promoting in those posts different affiliate programs and offers. So again, I say pick one because chances are if you're working a job right now, you know, if you're going to school, maybe you have kids, a family, you don't have a lot of time to master everything, okay? And if you look at every top person, we all say the same thing. We started with one site and then we spread out after we got successful. I started with YouTube, started making money. I hit a 6-figure income, and then I started doing TikTok and Facebook and other things. But you want to pick one and master it, okay? Now, how do you decide which traffic strategy is best? I highly recommend you pick the social media site that you're on the most. Okay, if you're naturally on TikTok, stick with TikTok. If you're naturally on YouTube, start doing YouTube videos. And you do not have to show your face, but you need to stay consistent, okay? At least, depends on the site, but if you're on, you know, Facebook, at least one post a day. If you're on YouTube, you can do less, you know, maybe 2 videos a week. But you want to stay consistent, okay? And again, if you want to go deeper into different traffic strategies, you can check out my channel where I go way more into detail. Now, step number 4 is once you've started posting online and you've gotten people to go to your link, okay? Now, we want to convert those leads with follow-up emails, okay? Now, a lot of this is gonna be done for you. Once you have that funnel in place and people are going through your funnel, those emails are gonna start going out to those people on autopilot. So you don't have to do a lot at this stage. Okay, this is gonna be where the automation's gonna kick in. But one thing you do wanna keep in mind is you want to actually respond, okay, to any lead. Okay, a lead is just a person that's interested. Any lead that's going through your email autoresponder sequence, if they respond to an email with a question, you want to answer it. And you want to answer it in a timely manner because those people are very, very interested. They're asking you buying questions typically. You know, they're asking you like, like what's the cost, okay, right? Can I do this, worldwide? Like they'll start asking you questions because they're very interested. So all you have to do is kind of answer their question and then redirect them back to the affiliate link to get started. Okay, this right here, again, very crucial. Most people are not even having email autoresponders in place, and they're not even following up with their leads. If you've been trying to do affiliate marketing, you're just sending people to the link and never following up. Even if you do it manually, you have to follow up because most people are busy and they're not going to buy automatically right away, okay? And then last but not least is scale your earnings, okay? So this is crucial. Again, this is a step that I see a lot of people not do when you want to make $500 or more a day. You want to scale what's working, okay? So you want to analyze what is actually working with your marketing, right? What type of posts on social media are getting you the most engagement? Which type of posts are getting you the most people commenting, asking you for information, okay? I like to use what's called the 80-20 principle. The 80-20 principle states that 20% of the output gives you 80% of the input. So 20% of what you're doing is giving you 80% of the results. So let's say you are posting on Facebook, okay? Facebook is your social media platform that you've chosen to master. And let's say you're posting stories, you're posting on your wall, and maybe you're posting in some groups, okay? And then after a week, you analyze, where am I getting the most leads? And maybe overwhelmingly, it's from stories, okay? You're posting on Facebook stories and people are responding to your stories, asking you for more information, asking you for your funnel link. Well, then if that's where most of your results are coming from, you could literally stop posting on groups, cut down how much you're posting in your wall, and just focus on mastering stories, test different things and get better. And you cut out a massive amount of work, right? Also, you can look at what time of day is working the best, right? You can really analyze deeply and scale it, do more of what's working. And then, like I said, you can consider paid ads. So now at this point, once you're actually earning money, once people are paying and you're actually getting conversions and commissions coming in, now you can take some of that money, okay? I recommend about 30% if you really want to scale fast, 30% of your earnings, and you can reinvest that into paid traffic, okay? There's a lot of different types of ads. One little hack you can do is if you're on, let's say, TikTok or YouTube or a site, even like X or Twitter, you can just boost, okay? You can invest in boosting posts that have already proven to work. So if you have a post that really got a lot of engagement, you can literally just pay to scale that post to even more people because you already know it works, okay? This step right here, again, this is more advanced, but as you're making money, which you will if you follow these steps, you can start to scale through paid ads. Really, the sky's the limit, right? So these are the 5 simple steps. I really hope you got a lot of value. Again, I will leave a link directly below. Go to that link, put your best email in. I will share you full information on my #1 high ticket affiliate program when it comes to making money online. It gives you a done for you funnel, training, a community, everything you really need to implement these 5 simple steps. If you got value, subscribe, like the video to let me know. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you on my next video.